Hello beauties. Good morning from Awka, Anambra State of Nigeria.
I remember Christmas as a child, waking up to all those smells and sounds, racing downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please, please have that bird, that Christmas joy I once had as a boy.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm sure by now some of you already know who has that intro. I believe some of you know her already. Anyways, she's one of the people I'm going to be giving a shout out on today's vlog. So guys, I have been thinking of this lately. Blessing is here in case you're hearing any voice in the background. So I've been thinking of this lately. I want to start, I used to do this before, but at a point I stopped. Reason is because whenever I do it, most times people don't actually turn up. So I'm like, what is the need? After shouting people out, people don't get to actually go visit the channels. But at the same time, I still feel like even if it is only one person that turns up, it's something. So I've decided to start it all over again. I don't know how long this one will last, but let's keep flowing, let's keep going with it, and see how this one turns out. So I have decided to start giving people shout outs on my channel again. Before any vlog, or maybe at the end of the video, I'll give a shout out to at least 2 people that I would want you guys to check out for me. So on today's shout out, you already have a clue of one of the person I'm about to shout out in today's video. Her channel name is Lily Pope. She is a mommy YouTuber based in Nigeria, Awka, Anambra State. So please, I want you guys to go and check her out. This woman is an amazing person. She's not like trying to grow her channel. Her channel is already growing on its own. She's amazing. So her channel is growing every day by day, but I still would want you guys to go and check her out. Then the second person is Chinonye's, oh my goodness, I've forgotten her channel name, and that is because she's just a new YouTuber. She is starting. So I want you guys to go and check her out, support her channel so that she can get to that stage of monetization. You get? So let me quickly look for her channel name. I've forgotten, the thing just skipped my head now. Let me quickly grab my phone and give you guys her channel name. Oh yeah, so I'm back. Her channel name is I don't know if this thing is focusing. Chinonye Reality TV. Anyways, I'm going to be leaving the link to their channels in my description box below. So please make sure to go and check them out. Subscribe to their channels, watch their videos, watch as much as you can. I'm not saying you should watch all their videos. Anyways, that's by the way. That's it for today's shout out. Keep watching, keep supporting me. Who knows, you might be the next person to be giving a shout out. Okay, so as always, I'm just here chillaxing, making videos back to back, editing and uploading for you guys. To be honest with you guys, I wouldn't say that this Vlogmas is stressful. It's not really that stressful. I thought it was going to be so stressful, but one of the biggest challenges I'm having right now, or I'm facing currently, is coming up with a video idea. Like, you guys, it is so difficult to come up with a video idea. Like, since I'm filming every day, like every single day, apart from yesterday, which was Sunday. I didn't film yesterday because obviously I needed to rest. Besides, yesterday was Sunday service, so I couldn't film yesterday. But I've been filming since this Vlogmas of 18 started. Since day one, I've been filming, I've been uploading, I've been but coming up with a video idea, I am finding it so difficult. So please, if you have any video idea to suggest to me, please kindly leave it in the comment section below. Okay, your girl is running out of ideas and that is because I'm filming back to back. Had it been I'm doing my normal upload, which is like 2 to 3 times a week, it wouldn't have been a challenge to me, you know. But this one, I'm finding it a bit challenging to come up with ideas. It is challenging, honestly. So please, I need you guys to, you know, suggest a video idea. All right, yeah, another thing I wanted to mention is that I noticed that my my intro, the intro video, was a bit long. Yeah, someone also commented that she loves the intro, but it's way too long, which I myself, I know that the intro was a bit long, you know. After the person said it, I had to go back to rethink again and consider it, and I had to make some adjustments. Though I didn't cut off much, but I reduced it to like 40 something seconds, or maximum of 50 seconds. Yeah, but before it was like 1 minute and 9 seconds, which is really, it's really quite long. Okay, who wants to sit and be watching only intro for that long? So I had to cut it, and I also did some adjustments. So yeah, that's it. Talking is not easy. Talking is not easy at all. My kids are in their room shouting, jumping up and down, like I can't deal. I had to send them to their room so I can do this intro. If not, they will be here shouting and you guys might probably not hear what I'm saying. So I had to send them to their room to go there and be shouting. So today, I don't know how today will go, but anyhow, I'm still going to be carrying you guys around the house. I wanted to go out, but I can't really go out because the weather is not so good. Okay, the weather is not so good. I wanted to go to the supermarket to pick a few things, but I can't do that, and I don't know if I'll be doing it tomorrow because this week the weather is going to be really somehow. So but let's see how it goes anyways. Yeah, my hubby is in the kitchen today. He has decided to make that yummy and special jollof rice that he used to make for us. Yeah, we already filmed a video of him making that jollof rice recipe, and it is right now on my channel. So if you want to watch that video, I will also be looking for the link and be leaving it in the description box below. So go and watch that video. So that's what he's in the kitchen making right now, and whenever he's doing this, he likes to close the door so that nobody will enter. But I'm going to take you guys straight to that kitchen now. We are going to go and disturb him small, just small. Mommy, mama. Let's go and disturb him small. He's asking me, who is that? Is my mother living here? It's me now. Oh my God, my Lord, is Chicago. You guys, I didn't even know that he has finished cooking. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I'm so hungry. I've not eaten since morning. It's past my fasting period or fasting window. This is lunchtime and I've not had anything. This is 3 p.m. Favor, come, Blessing wants to see you. So let me show you guys. The smell alone, the aroma, my goodness. Look at that. Whoa! I can't wait to eat this. Oh, so good. Don't mind me, I'm being too extra now, but it looks really delicious. Thank you so much. I love it when he cooks this jollof rice. I don't know if I should say that his own tastes better than mine. I don't know, like I have fallen in love with his jollof rice. Whenever he wants to make it, I am always so excited because it is so good. Thank you so much. Hey! And he's cooking and washing as always. As always, cooking and washing. Let me dish out the food because not for talking, I need to eat. My goodness, guys, there are a lot of obstacles in this jollof rice. Like whenever he cooks this jollof rice, all our meat in the freezer gets to finish. He uses everything in the freezer. There is pomo here, which is cow skin. There is turkey, chicken, gizzard, turkey gizzard. There is mackerel here in one pot of jollof rice. Oh mommy, food is ready. Yum yum yum. And of course malt. So let's enjoy our delicious jollof rice.
In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen. Come and join me. But my lord, offer salt. The salt is a bit, not too much, but nearly about to. About to. But it's okay. It's so yummy. My mouth is watering. It's okay. The salt is not that bad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That is feeding you. What the camera? Meat and fish everywhere. There's coronavirus. Thanks, babe. Babe. Thanks, babe.
Baby.
Thanks, babe.
I can't be baby. I'm a man.
Oh, thanks, man. Oh, let me pause this video. I really appreciate. Thanks for making this delicious meal for us.
It's my pleasure.
Mwah.
Go.
I love you.
I love you much.
That meal was so good, you guys. So delicious. Like, we really enjoyed it. Even Favour and myself, we went for second round. I'm not going to lie. We went for second round. Only Favour and myself, but my husband and the boys, they didn't go for second round. But yeah, thank you so much.
When you cook, do you used to eat too much?
When I cook, yeah, it's because
already eating much with your nose.
Yeah, I've already eaten much with my nose. You know, I wasn't in the kitchen with him when he was cooking the food, so I did not perceive much of the aroma. So I guess that's why I was able to eat more than I was supposed to eat, but not like I overfed though. Okay, I as much as my tummy can carry, and that is it for today. I'm not going to be eating any other thing today, just so you know. Yeah, I really tried.
Let's separate the hand on the first.
Yeah.
I mean the same overall.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.